ba-dee doo doo doo. Bum ba doo doo doo. Boom body, boom body, boom body, boom body, boom body, boom body. Anyway, we're doing something here. God, my glasses are really fucking dirty. Give me a second. Where's this shit? This might be a short stream. Also, I just realized I can't actually see Twitch chat. Yeah, it'll be fine. Ugh, shit. My glasses. Hold on 1 second. I guess I'll put this on Twitch chat. Body. Not sure if this is live. Yeah, this is live. One second. I'm back. Got some funky, fresh rhythm for you. It's not my song. I do not claim ownership of Epic Mashup. These are all Silva Gunner, by the way. I could probably find a way to display it, but honestly, I would need to switch over to OBS normal, like not the one I have, which is the Streamlabs one. I was told to use Streamlabs a long time ago by somebody who, you know, uses Streamlabs, but then, you know, I realized very quickly after I was done setting it up that it has basically no functionality for like plugins, which is awkward because I would like to use several of the plugins that normal OBS comes with. That honestly should just be a feature anyway of Streamlabs, but is not yet. Because I guess they just skimmed on giving a shit. This song is terrible. I think I heard this one earlier. Yeah, I'm gonna delete that one. So what I'm gonna do here too is I'm also gonna delete random shit that I don't like. Music. Ensemble. Let's get rid of that one. Oh, I have to... Let's try that. Okay. So I need to go back to the mod thing. So mod the Spire wiki. Let's check something here. You can't actually see when I look up suggestions on my browser, which is good. That is quite good. And I need mod the Spire more so than base mod, is what I've been told by somebody who actually knows what they're doing. In my case, anyway. Just because of how my mod is going to work. It patches the game rather than adds content, you know? More so. But we'll see. So... what I'm trying to do is here I'm trying to patch something very simple. I'm trying to patch out Dead Branch and Incense Burner from the game. And I can't just delete it. I have to like make the game ignore them when they are selected. So I found this piece of code in the game. Add relic to rewards, this reward add, and then I guess whenever like that has to populate a reward to whatever room you're in. It like looks here and it adds from new reward item, abstract dungeon, return random relic, and then it like does whatever tier you augment into it as well. So I was thinking if I could patch this so that it said basically like it would check, like it would do this thing first, return random relic, and then it would, if it's like, it would basically exit the function if it was, no, it wouldn't exit the function because then you would get no relic at all. No, it would basically reroll. Right? Or would it like do something weird that isn't like the base game? So it's an abstract dungeon, this function of return random relic. So I'm gonna look in there actually, that seems important. Let's go to there. Where is it? Is it an SRC? No. It's not in any of these. I have to go to one of these. Yeah. This one. What the fuck is this? Mod the Spire, okay. Yeah, this looks like a disaster. That's because it is. Usually where I went to last time, what was it? Was it cards? No. There's a lot of like GFX, like graphic stuff here. But what you really want is the thing that gets you to all the logic. The song's pretty fucking spicy, by the way. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's calm, I think. And then card crawl. Yeah, here we go. So, abstract dungeon. Aha, I found it. I don't know what download means, but let's click it. Nope, I changed my mind. I cancel. I don't know what that meant. Can you like, what's the shortcut to like scroll? Oh, it's hold shift. Okay, hold shift while you scroll. So I'm looking again for return random relic in this thing. Abstract relic, return random relic. Oh no, there's more layers to this. I mean, obviously, but I didn't really want there to be more layers to this. So, returning, it logs something, and then it says return relic library, get relic, return random relic key, tier, make copy. Okay, I don't know what this make copy is about, but apparently it's a function of whatever relic you get. But yeah, what's return relic key? That's weird. I don't know where that's in. Is it here? Return relic. Whoa, what the fuck is this song? It's return random relic key. Oh, you know what's one thing I need to do? I need to actually normalize all my songs too. Because yeah, some of them are going to be obscenely loud compared to others. That's fine though, that's okay. I think I will turn it down just a bit more in OBS though. Because I don't want to be overpowered by great music. The audience needs to know what I sound like. Cool. So get random relic key. Here it is. Okay, there's a tier check. If common relic pool is empty, return random relic key, relic, tier uncommon. Interesting, so if you run out of relics that are common, it actually has a check that makes sure you get an uncommon. Did not know that. Otherwise, if there is something in the relic pool, you get a common relic pool, remove index 0. So this is the individual pool. I think if you hold control and click a function, you go to the definition of it. That would be useful. Yeah, it looks like something like that happens, although now I have to find the damn thing again. Fuck. Here it is. Yeah, thank you for that tip, Ada Lick. I'll make sure to keep that in mind. What the fuck is this shit? Whatever it is, I hate it. I'm gonna delete that. It's called Willy Weasel. Here it is. Yeah, this is also me going through my music playlist. For the viewers at home. I think I go to this one now, or is this what we just heard? No, we heard that. Okay. Is this more garbage? Okay. I need just the... I can do this faster than I'm currently doing. I just go, no. Maybe. Debatable whether or not this is faster. Down sync. Okay. Is there a way to just delete the song from file with this? Probably, right? Oh, there is. Okay, that's much better. I'm gonna do that now. Awesome. I love MPC HC more so than like VLC. I tried doing other audio stuff lately for the stream, but they just don't make sense. Like they just don't work. I don't know. This actually has like a useful playlist function that can add like a billion songs. I guess I don't know. VLC when I tried it didn't really work for some reason. So I need to find out more about this common relic pool that I'm looking at. Do I though? Maybe I don't. I think this might actually be really important to what I need to do, this particular function. Get random relic key, because again, you get a relic key when you turn value null. Incorrect relic. Return get library, get relic, spawn, return and rand. Oh fuck. Get relic, red can spawn. Should probably learn how to code in Java, huh? Seems like hard work though. I can just kind of fuck around until I actually know what I'm doing, until I guess correctly, essentially, is what I'm getting at. Didn't know you got a red circlet if you, that's interesting. Did not know that. Anyway. It's always the same thing. Common relic pool. Yeah, so I'm gonna see where this is at. I think it's just an import though, right? An import statement from, yeah, you just make it here. You don't import it, you actually make it here. So let me look up common relic pool. I need to sort of dissect the game before I can modify it, can I? Okay, so this is where we see it again. On the sidebar we can click here, I guess, see what's going on. Return end random relic key. So this is a different function, I think. Is this more trash? Fucking silver gunner. Fuck off. That's really funny. Yep, that's an instant remove. I'm trying to find like the banger Silver Gunner songs. The memes are good though. I like when they come up. I just can't though. Yeah, Adelic. Yep. This one sounds good too, I think. Anyway. Uncommon relic pools empty. So I'm looking at rares. This is the thing I care about. Common and uncommon are completely fine. I'm not removing relics from them. So if rare relic pool is empty, we get a circlet, but I don't care about that. I care about the else, which is remove rare relic pool size -1. So this removes the last entry of the rare relic pool. Okay, so why would you do that? Why would you remove the last rare relic in the pool? Return end random relic key tier. Okay, this is the same. Yeah, so this just returns the relic, probably. That is selected randomly? But where is it selected randomly? I'm still trying to figure that out. Let me go back here again. Remove. Index. Huh. You know what it could be? It could be that it imports the relic. No, it imports the tier. Okay. So somehow it knows that there is a relic to remove. And then it like returns... God, I'm such a dummy. It gets just a relic, basically. In that order, for some reason. Because, yeah, this is like the C++, which case I presume... Could be wrong, but... Can spawn. At least similar enough that the code works similarly. Red relic, red vol... Can spawn. The fuck is ret vol anyway? It's like it's a string that's null. But it probably returns value from something, surely. So it's not just blank when it gets to that point. So you know what it probably is? Yeah, return value, yeah. You know what it probably is? It probably removes it from the list in the relic pool, but then it's able to still get the value of the relic that we just removed. So that way you don't get duplicates throughout the run, I believe. And then you also return the key of the relic, I guess. But let me go back a bit. Let me see the other... So that's one function. Return random relic key. This is what I was looking at earlier. And then this removes the relic from the pool at the burst index. Huh. Oh! I get it. I get it. So, in this game, shops actually remove from the back of the pool. And then, in the beginning of the pool, we also remove relics in most cases. So that it's more varied, sort of like... What was the reason? Because sometimes when you manipulate the seed by playing the same save file, it like helps to keep it more varied. Like you don't want to see the same relic in the shop that you would have seen in a chest if you did the run slightly differently, I guess. So that makes sense. So right, I forgot that was a thing. N random relic key. That's why that's there. Okay. Because they're very similar. The big difference is this index. Okay. So remove that. I mean, we're still removing it no matter what. So maybe this isn't where I should be looking anyway. Because... Hi, little dot. What do you mean never document your code, dot? This is a mod, I don't care. Also, how are you doing, Dot? Are you doing well? We can hang out if you want. I didn't really want to do a long stream set. I probably can just quit out here early. The song's really good. But yeah, programming is a bit nightmarish. This is why I don't do it as a career. I considered it. But looking at this, it reminds me of like the disaster that is working on things that are already like a huge project, because then you have to just kind of inspect everything. It's not heavily commented, this code, so you sort of have to just like, yeah. You just have to look around. I'm sure there's a version of this that exists that has heavy commenting from the dev team though. But this is not that one. This is just the version that I have installed. So, go figure. So, we need to look back to where this was. I think. Probably. Relic and return and... Return relic. Random non-campfire relic. Oh, that's confusing. Nice. This song's nice and loud. It's also very short and bad, so I'm probably removing it. Doo-doo. The remove operation. Oh, Dot, you can go to bed. You don't have to go fix your sleep schedule in a single day. Holy shit. Yikes. Go to bed. Or take a nap at least. Yikes, I don't know. I don't want you to stay up more than that, Dot. That's not healthy. The remove operation also returns the relic, probably, which is assigned to read ret value. Yeah, which is then check with can spawn. Hold on, let me pause this. If it can spawn return, that otherwise look at the other side of the pool for another relic. I think that I know why there's the end and then the beginning. Yeah, so Dot, let me explain. Oh, Dot, you're so cute. Thank you. So Dot, yeah, what I was talking about with Adalic earlier was, or at least I said something, was that, so let me pull this again. So this thing here, I think, is for when you go to like shops, because the shops apparently, I learned about this from somebody and I just remembered, but shops pull from the end of the pool of relics, whereas in the chest you get from the front of the pool, because it's just like one big array. So there's a function separately for when you're pulling from the end of the list, and a function for when you just pull from the beginning of the list. I believe that's how this game is programmed to work. But yeah, what the commenter was saying was a little. I'm not entirely sure what it means, especially the part when it says check with can spawn. I guess just, like if you can have the relic or something. But I think for why there's two different functions, it's just because of what I mentioned there. Return random relic tier. We don't need to look at that. Random potion, random potion, random potion. Yeah. Random relic tier. Yeah, this is good, I think. Look at the last return. That's basically an if statement. Condition, question mark, true return, false return. So, condition, then question mark. So, if it's not true that you can spawn the relic that I removed from this thing at the end of the list, in this case, then you return n random relic key, which is this function, right? Oh, I see. And then you use the same. Wait, what does the last part mean? False return. True return. False return. Oh, Dot, thank you. And Adalic, thank you as well for slightly more technical reasons, I guess. Seriously, Dot, it's nice to hear that. Okay, so yeah, there's the conditional. I understand how the conditional works now. It's saying that if it cannot spawn the relic for whatever reason, then it will actually just try to find another one at the end of the list, the next one basically, the next iteration. I don't fully understand like this true false thing. Oh, if it's true, the statement here. That makes sense, yeah. And then if it's false, you can just false, then hey, you can use the relic, and then you input it, or output it to the user, aka the player. Where do you program what the relic does, though? So, Dot, there's a section in the relics folder right here where you can look at every single relic in the game, including ones that don't exist anymore. That's right. It's time for fucking dodecahedron. Dodecahedron time. It's not actually. And also where I'm looking is important, because I can't just delete the relic. Like, that's not allowed in the modding community, because there might be conflicts with every other mod. And yes, my mod isn't intended to be played with, like, other mods, but it's still important, probably, to, like, make them compatible, so that's fine. And, yeah, I think dodecahedron is completely fine. I'm not going to add it back because I don't actually have that many feelings for it. I'm just going to let it not exist. That's fine, I guess. Maybe I'll make an option later down the line to, like, re-enable it. But, eh. For now, it's not a priority, so I don't really care. As you guys can tell, I know almost nothing about coding. This is mostly just me poking around a file, being like, ooh, wow. Eventually I'll figure this out by staring at it long enough, though, right? So now I understand how this function works. N random relic key and then this other one. So let's go back again. I wanted to check. This is just an array, so you just remove it from the array, and then you try to output it. The thing is, I still want to remove it from the array every time in both functions, but then I want to basically return it again every time, as if it can't spawn. Yeah, that's how you do it, I think. I'm going to... But here's the thing. I can't just modify the code of the game. That would be too easy. You actually have to do, like, a really weird thing. This is the part that's hard. I have to do, basically, in my own program, a way to patch... I can remove this, I think. I have to patch the actual game file using something called mod the Spire, which has, like, its own code, how to patch the other code. So it's kind of a nightmare. So what we're going to do here is we're going to just copy this. Like, I'm probably not going to keep most of this, but I'm just going to copy it anyway. And we're going to do it with the, not with this one first. Let's do it with this one first. Return random relic key. I don't care about the shop. And then go here. Random relic key. Cool. Then we're going to put this here. Oh god, errors. Well, why is it errors? There's probably a few reasons. It doesn't really matter. I just want the text. Huh, this song. No class. You have no class. Yeah, it does sound sort of like an insult. I was like, damn, alright. Fuck you too. Eat dick. This song's hot garbage, by the way. Whoops. Wrong thing. I keep clicking the wrong fucking option. Ooh, is this... No, it's not. I thought it was Combus. I was gonna get so excited. Public static void main time? I definitely know what that means. Don't worry about it. I don't care about the errors. I just want to, like, fucking... Okay, you know what? Delete all this. Wait, no, I have a better idea. Comment all this. That's better. Which is the comment shortcut? Is it the same as the other program? No, maybe? Or I just forgot, possibly? 1 second. Holding plain text. Code. There it is. We found it. And let me check what that was again. That is Control Shift slash. Okay. So again, the main thing we care about is this line. What we're gonna do, like what I want it to do. So I'm just gonna show you what I want to do, and then I have to figure out how to actually implement it with the weird interface of Mod the Spire. I want this code here to become get relic ret value. So we're gonna do this, like we want this thing to be in like an if statement, basically. And if statements we can see here, so I don't know how to learn. I don't need to even learn Java. Like this is fine. If and then the relic has to be, obviously it has to be like preserved in a variable of some sort so I can test it multiple times, I think. I mean, that makes sense to me, right? I can even, yeah, I have to define a variable at some point. So this is just the way I know how to code. So I'm going to do it in my shitty way. So we're going to say this thing is like, yeah, this is COMBUS, by the way. I was totally right. Yeah. So, Dot, listen closely to this song, which you might not be able to hear. Yep, you can't hear it. Like, let's put it there. Okay, what does this sound like to you? It's the fucking Crazy Bus theme, but made like weird and spooky and like actually kind of relaxing. It's kind of amazing, except for the random bus noises, but I kind of like it. It's pretty good. It's pretty fucking dank. Anyway, I'll turn it down just a bit, even more, because yeah, songs get loud. And then we're gonna do this again. So variables. How are you defining variables in this language? You do, you know, something similar to usual things. So we're gonna call this a string, I believe, because ret value is a string. Is it a string? Relic library get relic. I don't know what format a relic is, unfortunately. I would need to find out. Get relic. Relic library. Where can I find out about relic library? Where was I just before? Abstract dungeon. Relic library. There's only a few places for relic library. And it looks like one second. Relic library. Got relic. So is this just like a random like thing declared at the beginning too? Public class relic library. It's a collection of relics, right? Where is the relic thing? Starter list, common list, uncommon list. So this is the array list of what type exactly? Abstract relic. There we go. So I need an abstract relic probably to be the type. Seems about correct. So we're gonna guess and say that that's true. And then we're gonna do this. The method you are trying to edit returns string, I think. Get value is a string for get relic, but I think, yeah, it does return the string for return value. You're right, probably. I'm gonna say you're right. Because I don't know, like, what the fuck I would do if it didn't work, right? Because it returns the string. What are you trying to do? So, what I'm trying to do, it's not going to be too complicated. I just want to convert this into a variable. And then if the relic that I've gotten from this library is either incense burner or dead branch, it does not give it to the player. It basically passes as if I'm looking for something that can't spawn. Like if it, we'll pretend it can't spawn, quote unquote, in the code, and then it'll just pass it into this. Yep. So it's just a simple if statement, I think, once I save it to a variable. Yeah, because I finally found what the fuck I need to do, I think. I also have to do this for the shop function. You can patch can spawn. I could. Sure, I like it. Cannot find a... Oh, yeah. I could look here again for that, then. Yep, I guess I will. Let's go there. Can spawn. Okay, this is define. Huh. Okay, is this the... Yep, this is the only instance of can spawn in the entire function. I guess there's no... Oh, is this like for modding support, maybe? What the fuck is this? Why is it empty? Why is it empty? What the hell? Yes, you can spawn it. I like it. Well, that makes my life easy, probably. I think this is the simplest way to do it, you're right. Let's fucking do it! Also, Adalic, are you on the Spire server, or are you just like a random coder viewer person from Twitch? Also, the song is fucking fire! Oh, that's really good. Anyway, I think. Maybe I'll turn to Granddad out of nowhere. Like, who fucking knows? You just joined Slay the Spire modding Discord today. Oh, that's cool. There's a whole Discord for modding? Like, it's not just the one channel on the one official server? That's cool. I might actually do that too, huh? I don't, like, need, like, a huge, you know, backbone, but yeah. This is a cool, like, fun thing. I like to do this a little bit. Okay, just the channel. That's what yeah. That'd be mental if there was an entire server, though. It would just be, like, weeb anime spam, probably, for most of it, though. So yeah, that makes it easy. I can easily patch that. Where the fuck is... I've already lost place. This? Okay, I need to scroll to the right, probably. Okay, there we go. Yeah, Abstract Dungeon and the other thing are what I need to look at. I think. I already forgot. Click this again? Yeah, okay. So we need this. Can you stop? Okay, this is part of Abstract Relic. Let's get rid of Abstract Chest and Treasure Room. I don't need those anymore. Even that, hell. Oh, this is the base mod thing. I don't want that. Yeah, the song was really good. Sorry, I'm just gushing over fucking music now. I'm gonna go, yeah, just patch this to not be return true. But we're still gonna copy this. And I guess I'll keep... Nah, I won't keep this. It'll confuse me if I do. So let's just get rid of... No, hold on one second. So this is the function I'm working with. Now... I need to make a check for the relic, so it needs to pass in a check for like what relic it is. So probably would return value? No, would get relic, right? Which would get a relic of some sort. Huh. Does it equal... Yeah, it does this, right? Red value. Return random relic key. Rare relic pool remove, red value on that. Yeah, so it's equal to the thing you just removed. Right, that makes sense. So then, with that thing that we just removed, I think this return value thing totally works then. Whoops. Let's call this just like relic Sure. Nah, that's probably too generic. Like relic, check. You are going to be working with that class inside can spawn. Yeah, can spawn is an abstract relic. But no, Adalic, I can't modify. You know what I mean. I need to patch it, but you're going to be working with that class inside can spawn. I guess the thing is it passes into can spawn from here, from all this other thing, abstract dungeon. So I think as long as I use whatever this would get, which I think is just abstract relic from what I saw. I have to define what type of thing it is, don't I? Relic, tier. So maybe if I put abstract relic? Probably. If I go here. Yeah, because this is also what this is called. That makes a lot of sense. Yep. Let's do that. You have at your disposal stuff that is inside abstract relic since your code will be patched into there. Yeah, that makes sense. Absolutely agree. So that's why I have to do abstract relic, because can you define, wait, is that a thing? Can you like define things with abstract relic? Yeah, you can. I think. Yeah, look at that. Abstract relic is used as an argument here, like as a variable called argo1 from abstract relic, which is also what you're defining in this page in general. So that makes sense. Okay. So, abstract relic pass, which I guess I'll just call argument 0 or something. No, that's stupid. How do I do this if I was coding this myself? I would call it like not incense burner, I guess. No, that's stupid. Unfair relic. Let's call it unfair relic. And then we're not just returning true, we are now doing something like if unfair relic, okay, so these if statements are just for a simple true statement, but I need to compare here. How do you do comparisons in Java? I need to look elsewhere for that information. How's the music volume? Yeah, it's good. Comparison. Okay, here we go. If something double equal something, oh, there's like a typical like concatenation. Is that what that's called? It's like an and statement, basically. Whoops. My sister texted me, so my Twitch chat fell. Let me actually turn this off. This song is also interestingly garbage. Right, so I learned very simply that I just have to do the double equal thing, which is also in Python, I think? Is it also in C++? I don't know. I forgot. It's been a while. If unfair relic. Yeah, it's in Python. Unfair relic is equal to incense burner, which I think is just called incense burner. Like, I don't think it's anything fancy. I need to look, though, because maybe there's like a ID for it or something. If abstract relic, is that a thing too? Let me see if you can compare abstract relic as a class to something else. That is what I need to do. That is the play. God, this is a mess. Okay, let's look through all the different things. Is it in the top though? Abstract relic? is done. Pulse scale image. Relic ID. Relic strings. Name. Oh, okay. I probably need to use this. One of these things. What is relic ID? Set ID. Set name. Yeah, I'm gonna use ID. That seems like the simplest. I feel like name could cause some problems maybe sometimes. I don't know. We'll see what the frick ID does. So, dot relic ID. Let's try that. I like it. I mean, I could have asked the modding community, but I'm just gonna do it myself. Because I could just steal code, but nah, I'm good. If unfair, well, honestly, I will if I have to, but I figure for stuff like this, not everybody randomly removes existing content in the game, too. Like, it'd be hard to find it. I have to go to the bathroom. Be right back. Hello again. Okay. So dot relic ID of incense burner. Or I could just check what it is. Let's see how this looks when I go to the actual relic thing. So if you go to incense burner. Super. Okay, so this defines a bunch of stuff. ID is called incense burner, by the way. The same as its name. Okay. right? There's no number or anything. I mean, that's a pretty foolproof way of doing it, I believe. So this is the ID. And I don't need to check anything, I can just do this. Or, which I believe is usually this in the other language. Let me look up here something. Yep. Man, we're getting progress, I think. Maybe we're not. Maybe this is a disaster. The card IDs I saw had underscores instead of spaces. Yeah, but these aren't cards. These are relics. That's weird. Yeah, huh. I also like that I discovered, Adelic, that if you were to buy a starter relic at a store, it would cost the same as a rare relic. It's like, what? Why would they put that in the game? Like, no? I guess fail-proof, fail-safes, but, you know, still kind of silly. Anyway. Also, boss relics cost 999 gold. So, like, yeah, okay. So, relic burner, incense burner rather. And let me check the other one just to be absolutely sure. The other one I'm getting rid of, you can guess. Take your guess. It's fucking Dead Branch. Because Dead Branch is not very fun. Sort of too good. So now I do this thing, I think. One of these. And then I do, right? Looks like it. Could even do parentheses. I'm probably meant to. Okay. So I'm going to assume that works because I have no way of checking without... I guess I could just plug it into the class to see if it works. That's probably what I should do, right? You need to relic ID after the or 2. Right, that makes sense. Yep, you're right. You are a genius. Also, this is a good one. This is a pretty nice little instrumental. I like it. It's apparently instrumental. Okay, so this is it, I think. I just tell it to return false, basically. How does this typically do it? Yeah, it does it like that. Let's do it like this then. And then that's it, I think. Let's just delete everything here. Wait, what? Oh, I see. I never... There we go. So this, I'm going to maybe just put in the game itself and see if that works. I'm curious if this will even launch the game. It's worth a try, right? Well, yeah, let's try it. I'm curious. This is in the the thing. Files read only. Can I change that? Is that a thing? Okay. So I have to actually patch it to see if it works, basically, Adelic. There's no way to like test it beforehand. There should be, like, that would make sense, but I guess patching it would be the only way. Because I wanted to see if the logic makes sense or if there's some error. Yeah, I'm not sure either. Let me ask the server, actually. Take a minute to ask them. I'm gonna say, hey everyone, how do you mod, or you need to repack it. Oh, yeah, but wait, is there a way to do that easily here? Fuck. Repackage. The thing is I can't do, okay, this is read only, so how do I make something not read only? Because that's the first thing I have to do is make it not read only. Read only. Remove read only from jar. No, not folders. Okay, so if it's a read-only copy for viewing, how do I get a modified copy to just to make sure my code works if I patch it in? Weird. So, it is not recommended to edit jar files. It's better to get hold of the source tree for the library, check it into your version control, modify and build it. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see. Okay. You need to do something entirely different then. You need to like package basically the source code of the game. Huh. I don't know how to do that given that I don't have it. So probably don't do that. But patching is basically what we're doing anyway. Let me Spire config. Troubleshooting. This is just for the mod the Spire file, I think. A base structure for the creation of mods. Oh. Huh. You need to export the game file, edit, repackage. What you see here is IntelliJ just pulling one file out for you to see. Export the game file, edit, repackage. Okay. So this might be the thing I need though, Slay the Spire mod setup. I think. Maybe not. Maybe this is just like a weird base mod thing. Let's see what this does. Yeah, this is this is a mess. Thank God for you, by the way. Thank you for joining. I would have been fucking stuck. You have been helping quite a bit. Let's see. Yeah, main branch. Yeah, I'm still not sure if this is what I need. I need to go export the game file, edit, repackage. So I'm gonna say just online straight up exporting Slay the Spire game file. Maybe I'll get something. And then I can ask the Discord server if I don't get a result there. Cute. Yeah, that doesn't do it. I'm just gonna go to Discord, probably. Where is this? Hey everyone. How do you export the game file to edit and repackage it? If I want to test the change, I would make in a patch without actually patching it. Without actually patching it through mod the Spire. Not sure whether or not. Okay, I asked them. I'm gonna wait a bit. I'm just gonna chill out. So what I'm getting is that I can't. Okay. Oh, okay, it's discouraged, basically. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Okay, fair enough. I appreciate it. I'll just patch and pray that it's the correct patch to do. And yeah, probably. I didn't know though. So yeah, it's probably against the policies of something to do it the way that I was thinking of. So yeah, this is just better, just to patch the game in the way that Mob the Spire would do it. Ooh, Toho. Oh, damn it, it's just the ending theme of something. Fuck. Well, that's interesting. I'm learning a lot today, I guess. So, yep, we're just not going to mod the read-only file. We are going to somehow patch this code starting from basically here. Hey, this is the Super Meat Boy, yeah, Super Slugger. This is a really weird remix, though. Probably has to be a joke with, like, Cave Story or something. Boom, 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 boom. Kind of funky, though. Okay. Let's learn how to mod would patch the Spire. Mod the Spire patching. So if I go to, I think what I want is one of these. Let's go to Spire patch here. It will tell me more. Prefix, postfix. There's also like a really beautiful example that I'm gonna look at here as well, I think. What does out jar mean? List of known mods. Is there an example? No, probably not. There's gotta be. What is out jar though? Oh, okay. This is something else. Config. List of known mods, maybe? Okay, I guess we don't get an example. We're gonna look at, let's see. Patch class must be a public static class. Public patch method must be a public static method. So I'm gonna start writing static boolean, maybe? Public static boolean? Right, if I do boolean, then... Okay, because it still expects it to be a class. Defines the class that contains the method to be patched. Spire patch. We're not modifying a class. Wait, no, we are. Method is, yeah, okay. Parameter type. What does this mean? Method. Define, okay. Defines the parameter method. Oh, multiple methods with the same name. Thank you, yeah, you're right, I don't need that. I mean, yeah, I was figuring out. So I only need these things. Sorry that I'm so slow, forgive me. This song hurts my ears a little bit, not gonna lie. No, no, no. So we have a Spire patch thing. I'm just gonna set this up a little bit. Abstract relic. Well, what the hell? Oh, it imports automatically. That's cute. Method. Method is can spawn. And then I have to end this off basically with not anything, just like the parentheses basically. No? Wait. Yeah. Okay. Public class example patch. I'm just ahead of you on reading it on the other tab and can't help but spoiling the solutions. Wow. Fucking beating me to the punch. Yeah, I guess I'm sort of distracted half the time anyway. Like, this just distracted me, for instance. This line of dialogue. Anyway. What is this song? I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, this is a thing. Public class example patch. Public static void. Prefix. Don't know if that's relevant. Trying to figure out. Wait, what does this say? Features by reference. Okay. What is example patch all about? That's what I'm trying to figure out. I'll figure it out. This isn't too bad. It's actually easier than I thought it would be. Lower my mic. Public static void. Postfix. And then oh dear. It's not that. You don't replace if you can avoid it, I remember reading. Okay. You may also use Spire. I don't want brief. I'd probably want like postfix if I had to guess. But what's up with this like, oh, what the fuck? Oh, I didn't realize I was pressing the keyboard there. Public class. Yeah, I don't know why this says public class here in the example. Let's see what this is about, Spire. Do I have any Spire patch annotation? Interesting. For each method you want to patch with your mod, you must create a new class and annotate it with Spire patch. Okay. Dot! Shut up! Thank you, Adalic. Wrap all Java code inside of a class. Dot, are you gonna go to bed? You're really tired. I think you should actually sleep. I changed my mind about talking to you. It's probably not healthy. Yeah, it's okay, Dot. I love you, okay? Anyway, wrap all the Java code inside of a class. Probably this, huh? Yeah, that makes sense because this is a boolean. So, how the fuck do classes work? You have like this big thing where you import shit and then you like put a bracket. Where the fuck does the bracket end? Does it end just at the end of the document basically? Yep. Okay, so let's try that out for size. Okay, and then I need to name the class something. Do I just name it abstracts or whatever? I'm gonna try that, abstract relic. Alt enter? Sure, I guess. Alt enter. Don't know what the fuck that is. There we go. Abstract relic is not used now? Oh, because this is not... Alright. It's okay, Dot. It's okay. Don't worry. You need your sleep. Oh my goodness. You're okay. Don't worry. And, yeah, I will name the file name. Yeah. And the file name is abstract relic, right, for the class? So that's what's going on? I assume it is. And then this I will put inside. Maybe like that. Relic ID is a dead thing here somehow. Also, why is this blue? Oh, rainbow brackets. Ha, forgot I had that. Cannot resolve symbol relic ID. Oh, right, because I'm making the class again. Also, this song is unbearably loud. For me, anyway. Maybe not for you. Yeah, it doesn't seem loud for you. I'm going to probably never listen to this again. So let's add the thing for relic ID. Simple as that. I'm getting the groove. This is how you learn how to code. You just stumble like a dummy until you figure it out. Animal Crossing with this song is pretty dank. I'll keep it on my playlist. Set ID. Missing package statement Shay this. Set package name. Okay. That makes sense, I think. And then this also makes sense, I guess? But isn't that the point? Or am I missing the point? Abstract relic is already defined in this compilation unit. Right, because of this, maybe? Is that what that means? Nope. It needs to be... In this example, it's called example patch. Maybe I call this abstract relic patch? Abstract relic patch is never used. Okay. Interesting. You cannot resolve relic ID. It's not this. It's abstract relic. Okay. No, in other words. What the fuck's wrong with this? Oh, I see. Just a little minor syntax thing you can fix. Sure, I'm down. What the fuck is this? I don't know why that's simpler, but okay. I mean, sure. Can spawn is never used. Right, because it thinks it's this new class. What the fuck is this song? Yeah, I don't know about that one. So abstract relic patch. So I need to figure out mostly how this class thing works still, I believe. Probably need to define the method that I'm patching, right? Public static void. Or I can just call it... Oh, wait. Wait, no. No, it's still different. I was thinking I could just call it, what do you call it? Like, I would call this, prefix this thing, and then it would work. But I don't think that's how it works. Yeah, because that's a method, not a class. Okay. Interesting. I'm getting really, really close. Making sure my thing is not all fucked up. Yeah, we're fine. So, let's see what this was all about again, CLZ. Defines a class that contains the method to be patched. So we define it as abstract_relic.class, and then we have the method. So the public class is not explained here. Pouch method must be a public static method. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. I think I get it now. Right? Because I can do this, maybe? Postfix, maybe? I don't know. Maybe that's what I need to do. Something like that. Public static void postfix, I think. Probably. Why is this an error? A legal type void. Why is this giving me an error now? Annotations are not allowed here. Why the frick is annotations not allowed here? Wasn't that way before. Guess this is allowed though, so. And then to be clear, even if I make this static, it does the same thing? Yeah. So that's wrong. I maybe just need to look at an actual example, unfortunately. I could do, Says this is not used. How can I make it used? Maybe it doesn't matter? The foobar one? Are you sure? Postfix. What about this? One second. Just copy that foobar, not 100%, but put that foobar inside your class and put the line that has made the return inside of it. Okay. Put the foobar inside of your class. Like this, maybe? Cannot resolve symbol. Okay, let's try just removing that. Cannot resolve symbol. That's just an example, for instance. Okay. And then I need brackets again. Yep. Space here. What's the problem? This expected. Yep, that's what we wrote. Oh, there's another one I have to do maybe. Right. No? Oh, there it is, yeah. Okay, yep. And then what is this? Cannot resolve symbol unfair relic. Weird. Probably because it doesn't know what the type is. Can now resolve simple ID. Okay, so it's these again. What is this? Something expected, something expected. Probably because this is broken, yeah. Okay, so you need the annotation thingy so Mod Spire knows what to do with foobar. I think we should find a full example. Yeah, maybe. I just don't know where to put it. Like, I'm just like guessing at this point. Maybe like here? No. No. Maybe here? No. It keeps giving me errors. I don't know what that means. I could import class. Yeah, alright, I'll ask somebody. I'm gonna say, hey, can I have can I have a simple text file example of what a patch might look like? I'm pretty confused. Or yeah. Love you. Ugh. They're like typing a bunch of commands and they can't get it. Hold on 1 second. That's the page I'm on. Yeah, I'm on that page. I'm still dumb. Oh gosh. Still am a bit. Yeah, okay, we're gonna get a example from Wordo here. Who I think is just Wordo. Thought he was Vex. Vex is a different guy. Oh, I got a crink in my neck. Holy shit. Ow. Ah. What would I do without this server? Well, if you weren't here in the chat, I probably would eventually ask somebody too, but you know, for a while I can be a dumbass. This is fine. I was thinking about not even streaming this at one point. I'm so glad I streamed. This is pretty fun. Especially with the music and stuff. Feels lighthearted. I don't know. You know, I used to... Nah, this is fine. The view window I might change slightly while I'm waiting. Tool, window bar, status bar, main menu. This is what I can get rid of, right? Yeah. View. Yeah, exactly. Adalic. Tool, window bars. Now we want that, right? Navigation bar. Okay. You know, I don't even think I ever wrote in my document the removal of the relics. Should probably write that. I'll elaborate later. I'll just say remove dead branch and incense burner. Actually, I'm gonna make a new section. I'm gonna call it, because you know I have time, right? Like presumably. Unless I don't. No, I have time, we're still good. I'm gonna do this. Okay. So this goes above event revision, probably. I'm gonna say relic revision. Then this gets to be a section that I'll elaborate on later. Wrist blade. Wait, what's the rarity of wrist blade? Let me check on Spirebot. Relic wrist blade. Did they change it or is it still boss? Yeah, it's boss. No, it's oh, okay. I got the thing, by the way. No, it's okay. Thank you so much. I was looking at the post-fix patch, but couldn't figure out the structure. This is very insightful. Alright. I'm not going to copy it because I feel like there might be something vaguely important here, maybe. You never know. He does comment a lot here, though. It's super nice. So I'll just copy the... Okay. This is a cool thing, too. Check this out. So suppress warnings is something I need to put here. We're going to put it right here. Nothing uses the stuff in here, but MTS looks for it. So I don't know what this does, but I'm just gonna fucking leave it there because it seems important enough. And then trigger on end of... Oh wait, you have to make... Wait, what? Oh no, no, we're good, we're good. Public class... Oh, look at that. Okay, I see. So this Spire patch thing is in the wrong place. This has to go inside of the class. I think. And we're gonna call this just remove dead branch, remove rare relics. Yeah, they DM'd me the code, Adelic. Not the code for what I need, but just like generic code that could work similarly. So public class, remove rare relics, and then we have Spire patch with the method and all that. And then it ends. Why is this giving me an error? Not applicable to method. Well, not yet, maybe. I have no idea if it will ever be. I'm gonna actually remove this song too. I might stop in like 20 minutes because I want to eat as well, and I need to go somewhere before they're closed because I am the person with dining halls apparently. So let's see here. But I'll probably return to this actually. This is a lot of fun. I'll probably just quit the stream for like 40-ish minutes and then come back. So, hold on one second. I'm like brain farting. Okay, so end of turn actions, stuff. Yep. That's the method, and then they have another class inset in their class. Okay. Sure. That's fine. Let's put that down. Why do they do that? Postfix pre... Okay, so we're just gonna say it's postfix. And then, pre-discard patch. Okay. So I think it's just another version of the name, basically. So we'll just make it a nice and long name for clarity from me. And then, it's on the same level. And then we stick this thing in here. I'm gonna just take this here and delete this for now, maybe? Nope, you put that in there as well. Also, why did I take prefix? I want postfix. Okay. Alt-enter. Alt-enter. Wait, what? Import class. There we go. Annotation's not allowed here. Well, eat dick. Annotation's not allowed. Well, we're gonna find out. So, Spire patch. I can make this nice and short. Maybe that'll make this more clear in a bit. What the fuck's going on? Remove post Fire relics. Fire. Postfix patch. And then I have this thing here, which will not be whatever it's called. It's going to be called postfix. Game action manager instance. Okay, let's see what he says. So patch. Okay, make class inside class that's annotated with Spire patch. This lets mod the Spire find it. So that's what I did. And then make method inside of it. This is the one I'm doing right now, postfix. Make method inside of it that is named and annotated with the respective patch type. But put the patched method parameters in here, and if it's not static, instance should be there. Wait, one second. On the website, it says something about static and not versus non-static. Okay, maybe not. Let's go back to the thing. Well, you can't see it, but that's on purpose. So I could just put that. I don't know if that's the correct thing to postfix. Oh, I can see the comparison difference probably. Yeah, okay, so I think here what I put is the abstract relic class. And then I do ... instance. Or just one underscore maybe. Nope. How can I check if it is one or... Okay, that is 2 characters. Why is this giving me an error? Expected something. This is all cascading from this having an error. Why does that have an error? Suppress warnings. Unused. Class. I'm just making sure that I'm not like missing anything. Public class. It's probably because this is like somehow not still correct, like it's still missing some. Cannot resolve symbol. Oh, probably because I didn't fucking give it like a proper. Yeah, 1 second. I can fix that. Public static class. Aha! I did it! Yeah, there's a lot of classes going on here, unfortunately. It's a bit ugly, but I guess that's how it's coded. So now... this is where I put the actual code, I think. We'll find out. Well, that didn't work immediately. This is problematic for some reason. Cannot resolve symbol unfair relic. Well, let's see. Stuff inside of the method is what is added. Postfix adds at the end of the method before every return. Okay. So all I need here... Oh, but this goes before the other return. Yeah, I know that that's how it works, Adelic. I'm just making sure that this works with the can spawn. So from what I'm reading here, it says it is going to be added at the end of the method, but before every return, Adelic. So from what I understand, it's going to prioritize this return, and there's no way to hit the other return, right? Because the condition is either that A, this is true, that you can spawn it, or B, it is not true because one of these is actually, wait, let me make sure. So if it's incense burner, then not and let's say true or not, or false. So it can't be false and true, so therefore it would fail. So this is fine, I think. Having this only, I think works. And this happens in the actual method, so I don't need that. Yeah, cool. Wow, this is intuitive now. Awesome. I think that works. Why is this still bad? Well, because there's no more... Let's see. Abstract manager. Postfix. This is the abstract relic instance, but I need to return whatever unfair relic would be. In the original abstract relic class, this is supposed to represent a relic. So nothing gets passed into it. I need to change actually how it passes. Fuck. This doesn't work. Not the postfix method, I don't think. The reason why it doesn't work is because I need to change how the method works with like the parameters, sort of. Let's see. Let me look on the site. Can change the return value of the patch method. You can do this by adding return value to your postfix method. If you also add another parameter as the first parameter. If you add another parameter as the first parameter to your postfix method. Oh, okay. Of the same type as your postfix returns, you'll be passed the original return value of the patched method. So you get to return both, I guess. I think. I think that's not what I need. Postfix. Wait, what? Is this old tech? Oh, fuck. No, that's what you said earlier. Okay. I think if I go to prefix here, maybe it's what I need. No. No. Let me look at the example on Discord one more time. I might have some insight. On the method listed on Discord, he doesn't pass a variable in, I don't think. He just gets the instance from the class. But you can probably just ask for the variable too. If I had to guess. I'm gonna guess. That's what I'm gonna assume. Check this out. I'm gonna do... Wait, no, that doesn't work. In my unfair relic. And then let's make this an abstract relic. Not abstract, abstract relic. Cannot return a value from a method with void result type. Right. Because... Yeah. Because this is a void. I think. Or one of these is. Let's fix this too. Like, this is just all bad. Hold on one second. This is the Harlem Shake, by the way. We're getting very close. I just need to figure out how to make this a thing with the original method. Can spawn has no parameters, but I want to give it a parameter. I'm going to ask Wordo, just straight up, hey, how can I add a parameter to a method that lacks a parameter with this patching method? I want to give cans. For instance, in this case, I want. Hold on, I got pinged. Oh, this is the huge meme one. In this case, I want to... I'm just going to copy the can spawn thing. So this is bullying people to do your code for you, in other words. I'm trying my best, I really am, but some of this I just don't know. Yeah, you triple these things. I want to make as an argument an abstract relic. Hey, how can I add a parameter to a method that lacks a parameter with this patching method? For instance, in this case, I want to make You know, I just realized this probably breaks everything. This idea of putting a parameter here. Because can spawn is probably used in a bunch of places. Although now that I think about it, this probably breaks stuff. Oh, game. Why is it hard to program? Hmm. But yeah, I can see why this would be problematic. This is such a simple little thing that I don't know how to do it. Huh, interesting. It's like... Hmm. Oh, okay. I've been told not to ask the Wordo about patching. I don't want to bother Vex. It looks like Vex might be busy. I'll figure this out. I might stop the stream for a bit though, because I have to eat. I think eating and coming back to this will make this easier. This is a cool song. Mode 7. Unfair Relic. You know, this probably just doesn't work. I probably have to patch a different thing. The other thing, not the can spawn thing. Because there's no way to pass a parameter into it this way without breaking a bunch of other stuff. Yeah, that's probably what it is. So I can't use the can spawn method. I think I have to use the other one. Probably. What, Adalic? It has the ID of the abstract relic? How? Can spawn doesn't pass any parameters. Is it like from here? How would that work? Because you're getting can spawn from the fucking, what is it? Where did you originally need? Yeah, from like this. So like you're... Does this know the relic from here? Oh! Oh, okay, so maybe this abstract, this is a property of it. This is a property of the relic. That makes sense. But what do I put then for this? Dot relic ID. Of what? Abstract relic, maybe? Just relic ID. Nope. We're so close. String relic ID. Fuck. We're so close. Relic ID. It's a string. Why is this not working? Cannot resolve relic ID. I think it will always error in the editor. Can you package it? Yes, we'll try that. I guess this is why we did suppress warnings, huh? Let me save this file if possible. Okay, how do I package this? I don't actually know. Hold on 1 second. uh, Which helper script? mts.command. Weird. Hold on 1 second. Slay the Spire. So I need to go to this directory. So there's Spire installation directory. Okay. I don't know what the CMD file is though. Great. I already have a mods directory. Place any mods inside this directory. Okay. But I need to package it. Interesting. Okay, so let's interesting. Are my mods just not here now? Let's go to what's it called? Desktop. There. I need to go find my mods now in a different folder. Here's a folder with stuff in it. Lib, there we go. So we're gonna get base mod, mod the Spire, shape the Spire, and that's it. Okay. So these are the mods that I put here. Although this is not the full package. I need to repackage it. Yeah. What happens if I click base, or whoops, wrong one to click. What about this one? There we go. Refresh, refresh. Why is it not looking in the folder? What? Mod loader? Is this the wrong folder? Oh, this is weird. This is probably not even important what I'm looking at. I just need to know how to package my mod thing, probably. That's probably all I need to know. Maybe if I go to preferences, that's where my actual mod folder is? No. Interesting. I'm gonna see what happens if I delete this folder that I just made. Let me check that I'm not deleting other stuff though. Yeah, we're fine. Slay the Spire. Okay. Delete mods. It's open in something. Probably this mod the Spire window. Click. Okay. Ooh, is this more Missing No music? Yes! Oh, I love this song. Ketsuban. I heard this the other day. Fuck yeah. Just such a cool song. Okay. So I'm just gonna package this somehow. Smiley face. I think I remember how to do it actually. Here. Life cycle? Yeah. And then package. Rare relics is public. Should be declared in a file named remove rare relics.java. Did that stop the package though, or can I use it? Java incompatible. Wait, what is this? Unexpected return value. Okay. Cannot find symbol. Yeah, so these are expected, some of these, but this one here I didn't expect. Okay, let's see if it worked or not. Shade void to boolean. Oh. Let's try that. It keeps saying rare relics is public. Remove rare relics to shape the spire, which is the... Ah, yeah. Okay, thank you. Right? Yeah, and then these two errors are expected, I'm pretty sure. Adelic, I'm so sorry. Please give yourself a pat on the back for me. You're nice. I would eventually figure this garbage out. It's just, holy crap, I'm silly. I'm gonna actually rename this and then package it again. Let's see if, Oh, that's weird. I didn't know that, Adelic. Okay, so now I need to go in the folder that it generates out to, which I think I can find easily. Target? Yep. I don't know if this is the one I just made. Let's see. If I go to view mode and change it to... Nope, this is not the one I made. Okay, how do I make it new? Is it like not outputting because of this error? Is that what it is? Let's see, if I go here to project, target. These are all like components, libraries, yeah. Yeah, so these are... This is where it would generate it, I'm pretty sure. Right? Unless it goes here. Main Java. Is this it? No, this is just the file that I'm editing right now. I think. Test, Java. What the fuck is this? Okay, so I'm assuming it goes in targets. Which means probably that I need to fix these errors. Cannot find symbol. Package relic ID does not exist. Oh, thank you, Adelic. Is that in the chat, maybe? No? Okay. I have to eat. How about we go back to this after a quick break? Does this really, though? It seems like it should be able to read the relic ID from, Damn it. Because I'm just trying to use a value from abstract relic class, right? That should inherently, it should know it. There's got to be a way to do that. To just let it know that it's the relic. Maybe if I... No, there's no, like... Can I do, like, self relic ID? Is that a thing? No, it's not self. It's like some weird thing. Probably. It feels like it should just be, like, relic ID, and then it, like, understands that it's in whatever instance of abstract relic it would be, right? That would make sense. But I guess not. For whatever Cody reason there is for that. But it looks like this package is not going to let me, you know, or issue is not going to let me package it. I'm gonna go stop streaming and eat, and then I'll come back. But it was fun. Thank you for helping me a lot. I really appreciate it. This is a good 2 hours of learning for me. Yep. All right. Bye for now.